Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video I will let you know how to get income test certificate from Jazz. So that you can do by using Jazz World app. You see here I have downloaded Jazz World. I click on it and I come over here. This is my profile that I have already generated on the Jazz site. So this is my number registered over here, and then I come to this step, support, and on the support I come down to tax certificate. I click on it and then I select the year. Obviously I want to search for the one like this one, so then there is download button. I click download and it will give me a pin code of 4 digits, and that's already added to it. Your test certificate for the selected year is not available here because I haven't used my Jazz for very long, therefore it is not available here. And if you are using your Jazz regularly, the test certificate you will download from here. Thanks for watching.